Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the platform itself is current. Go to Settings and install any pending system updates, because performance patches fix stutter and network drops. Once done, update controller and headset firmware so input lag and audio problems don't mask later fixes. Also, connect via Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. This reduces latency and packet loss, which directly improves online quality. Make these prerequisites first, so the next steps act on a stable baseline. Next, optimize your network and storage because bottlenecks here cause lag and long load times. You should reserve a static IP for your Xbox and enable CoS on the router to prioritize gaming packets. This reduces jitter. Then clear the system cache and uninstall apps you don't use, or move big titles to a fast external SSD to cut load times. Also, pause auto downloads and choose Instant On if you want quicker wake and background updates. These steps keep resources focused on your gameplay. Finally, adjust display and game settings to extract quality. Enable your TV or monitor game mode, choose native resolution and 60 or 120 Hz depending on support, because lower input lag and higher refresh rates feel smoother. Inside games, prioritize frame rate over ultra details, reduce motion blur, and disable VSync unless you see tearing. If something breaks, reboot the router, verify NAT type is open, and only then try a console factory reset as a last resort. If problems persist, test one change at a time to identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.